Hey guys, this is Wing Fui. One of the most popular Lake Cantopop diva, Anita died in 2003 at the age of 40 due to cervical cancer. She has set up a trust fund and her mother has lost a legal battle to challenge her daughter's will. If you follow the legal tussle over Anita Mui's estate, you will have noticed how important it is to leave behind a will. Before her death, she wrote a will that gave away her entire estate to a trust estimated at Hong Kong dollar 100 million, known as the Karen Trust. In this trust, her mother received Hong Kong dollar 70,000 monthly for her living expenses. In addition, she set aside Hong Kong dollar 400,000 for each of her brother's 4 children's university expenses. Her properties were given to a retired designer. It was also stated that if her mother passed away, her estate will be donated to a New Horizon Buddhist association. The reason she did this was because she feared her mother would squander all of her estate with the help of her eldest brother if she was to give everything to her at one go. But her mother wanted full control of her daughter's estate and took a lawsuit against the administrator of the trust fund, claiming that Anita was of unsound mind when she signed her will. However, the Hong Kong Court of Final Appeal dismissed her mother's lawsuit, saying that Anita Mui was of sound mind when she signed the will based on the testimony given by 3 witnesses. They were her principal doctor, Anita's godmother of 20 years, and the private trust director. Perhaps some of us would conclude that we do not need a will and trust because we don't have the type of wealth Anita Mui had. But you too can apply the same principle according to your family needs. For example, you can will away your entire estate to your beneficiary, but if you have minor and spendthrift children or parents, then it is important that you specify how much they should be receiving for their money expenses, which is termed as testamentary trust. In addition, it is equally important to have a living trust, just like Anita's example. However, in her case, the trustee of a will must first obtain the grant of probate before her entire estate could be transferred to a trust, which is in Malaysia, and this can take 1 to 1.5 year length. In most cases, family needs immediate funding, which you can do by assigning some of your asset to your living trust, like an insurance policy, because money from there will flow into your trust immediately upon your demise or permanent disability. Anita's case also highlights the importance of having honest, reliable, and credible witnesses. Appointing an experienced trustee corporation to set up the trust and to be the trustee for both your will and trust is therefore a beneficial option. Then you can rest assured that your beneficiary can inherit your estate, which contain your instruction for what you want to happen even you are no longer around, and will still not be able to challenge your decision on distributions. That's all I have for this episode. I hope you will love this story, and I'll see you in the next video.